Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss sitting arrangement part 3. So up to this we discuss basic problems. Now we are going to some medium level problems today. Okay, and here the problems is there. So you can see it, right? Are you able to see this, right? No. I think yesterday we discussed about this problem. I think so. Is it clear? Do you remember this? Sheetal, who 10th from the left, and Lena, who 9th from the right, changes their seats. Sheetal become 15 from the left. How many girls are there in the room? Okay, there's nothing but whenever these type of questions will get, you need to understand first thing it will be in a reverse order. In a sorry. In reverse order number also. It's very important. Okay. Then we'll solve this type of problems. Some problems here. The 5 boys are standing. Okay. Okay, this is over. I think so. Okay. In a row, 16 boys. 16 boys is there. When Prakash was shifted by 2 places towards the left, become 7th from the left end. What was his earlier position from right end of the row? What they're asking? One person is there. Who's that? Prakash. Prakash is there. This is the row. Think it is the row. First, he was here. Which place it is? Which place is 7th place? Sorry. Yeah. No. He here. And after that, and if you are facing this way, this is the north, and this will be the left side, and this will be the right side. Is it clear? First of all, Prakash is here, first of all, and he moved to the 2 places like this to the left. To the left, he moved to the 2 places. That means from here to here, 1 place, and here to here, 2 places. Now the Prakash is the new place of the Prakash is this. This what they are saying. This place is 7th from left. They are saying 7th from the left side. From this side, this place is the 7th. Okay, and that means previous, what's his position? 8th, 9th, right? From the left side, previously he was in the 9th place. And how many of total is there? Totally 16. They are saying 16. And if we know one place from the left end, the same place from the right end is nothing but 16 plus 1 minus that original place. Okay, it's minus, not a by-ma. It's minus. Okay, minus. Why I am taking plus 1? So finding out the same place from the opposite direction. Same place from the opposite direction, you have to add total number plus 1. Total number plus 1. Total number is 16 they given. Now it becomes 17 minus 9. Minus 9. What is the number? It is nothing but okay, 8. Okay, 8th position from right. 8th position from right. So how we'll calculate? Only 16 numbers only, right? We'll calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 16 numbers is there, right? From left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, no need of this mark. For your understanding, I am saying why I am taking minus. Okay, why I am taking adding one number to total. Okay, this is 9th from this side. Okay, the same place from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th place. 8th place. Okay, if you are having the middle place here, 9 means here it is a 9 means from this side also you have to add. Just take the 9. Okay, this side from the 9 and this side from the 9. Okay, total will be 18 will be there, but 18 will come. So that's the reason from here if you take 9, then from here take to only 8. then that is also 7. Okay, 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is nothing but 8. So always you just add one number to total. It's a 16 is there, it becomes 17. If they given 23, then it becomes 24. Then minus original number. Okay. Okay, guys, we'll move to the next question. Don't want to waste your time. Actually, 5 are in the rows. 5 boys. I think it is done, right? Okay. Some boys are standing in a row. Sitting in a row. P is sitting 14th from left. Q is 17th from right. There are 4 boys between P and Q. How many boys are there in the row? What they're asking? A row is there like this. P is, what's the position? 14th position. Think it is a 14th position. Okay, from the left side. Okay, and Q is right side is the 7th position. No. Who's this person? P. Who's this person? Q. Okay, now from right hand, from this is the left hand. So left hand from here to here up to P, how many members is there? They are saying 14 members. Okay, plus, and from Q, it is from Q here, right hand from starting to here up to Q, how many members is there? 7 plus 7, 7th member, that's 7. Okay, and in between, how many members is there? How many members is there? There are 4 boys. There are 4 boys between P and Q, 4 members. So totally 18 plus 7, 25. 18 plus 4. Okay, it's nothing but 25. Is it clear? Now, we'll move for the next question. I'm taking somewhat fast one because I need to solve many problems here. In a row of boys, Anil is 15th from the left, and Vishak, okay, will take some, okay, Sisindri will take. Sisindri is 7th from the right. If they interchange their equations, Sisindri becomes 15 from the right. How many boys are there in the row? Same type of question mark. So what I have to do, this is the row, think it is a row. And who's that person? Anil. Anil is here. Anil is here. Anil is here. And Sisindri is here. What are the position? Sisindri is here. What are the positions here? What are the positions? What are the positions here? It is 15. It is 7. Just wait, guys. See here. Anil is 15. Sisindri is 7, they said, right? And they interchange the position. Now Sisindri is here and Anil is here. Okay. Is it clear? From here to here, one part. From here to here, one part. This is 15 and this is 7. And when they become interchange, Sisindri become 15. Sisindri become 15. Okay. From the right end. Before it's a 7 from the right end. Before it's a 7 from the right end. And now he is from here to here, it is a 15. Okay. 15. So now from just take the right end. How many is the Sisindri? 15 they said. Clear? And plus, before his Anil was there, right? What is position? 15. What is his position? 15 from the left end. So that means this place is the 15. Just before that place, how many is there? Up to this 14 members is there, right? 14 members is there. Anil is the 15th member here. What they are saying 15th place means 14 members is there. Anil is 15th member. So this place occupied by the Sisindri now, right? So now from right end it is a 15 up to here. Up to here it is a 15. And we know already is there 14 members is there, right? In between from first to here, 14 members is there. 15 plus 14. It's nothing but 29. Is it clear? No. 5% is also over. And this one is completed, ma? This one? Is this completed yesterday? No, I think so, right? Okay. In front of camera, Mr. X is sitting to the left of that man who is at the center of the row. Okay. How many persons here? We don't know, first of all. We'll check that. First of all, what we know, this is the row and this is a camera here. This will be the camera here. Okay. So the person who's sitting to the camera, suppose think it is a north side. Okay, this is the north side and camera is here. The people is facing to the camera like this. Okay. And what they're saying, Mr. X is sitting to the left of that person who sit in the center of the row, and Mr. X is the right of the Y, and Mr. P is right of Z. Mr. R is the right of Mr. P. Mr. R is second from the man sitting in the center. Who is sitting in the center of the row? How many members is there? Mr. X, Mr. Y, Mr. P, 3, Mr. Z, 4, 5. Totally 5 members is there. 5 members is there, like this. Okay, the middle person is there. And what the first point they are saying, Mr. X is sitting to the left of that man who centered the row. Suppose this boy is the center of the row. Because this boy is the center of the row. From center, the X is, Mr. X is sits left to the man. Then, which is one, this middle boy is facing north, which is left, this one is the left, and this one will be the right. So Mr. X, where he sit? Left to the man, left. This is, okay. Mr. X is here. But Mr. X is to the right of Y. Right of Y means this side. So suppose, take here Y. Y left will be there, right will be there. Right of Mr. X is right of Y also, right? So clear up to this. Is it clear? Now. And Mr. P is the right of Z, but we don't know where Z is this. Mr. R is the right of Mr. P. Mr. R is second from the man who's sitting in the center. So this side is over now. This side is over and this side is remaining. The middle person is there, one person, we don't know who's that. But they are saying Mr. R is second from the man. Second. This is the first and this is the second, because we're not going to take these places. This already reserved for Mr. X, Mr. Y. Suppose one person is at center, I don't know who's that, and he is R is the second right. So 1, 2. So this is R now, and Mr. P is to the right of Z. Here already R is there, so there is no right. So here, if P is sit, then it will be Z, right? Mr. P, right of the Mr. Z, okay, P, and R is right of P. Is it clear? Right of P. Now, who's the center? Who's the center in 5 members? Who's the center? This one is the center. Give the response in at least short box. Okay. The answer is for Mr. X. Sorry, Mr. Z. Okay, the ranks 5th in class. B is 8th from the last. B is the 8th from the last. C is the 6th after A and just middle of A and B. How many students are there? If C is the 6th after A, rank B is 8th from the last. A ranks, okay, A ranks 5th from 5th in a class. Okay, see here. Now I understand this one. So this is the class. This is the class one, and A is here. A is here, and B is here. B is here. Okay. So A is here, and B is here. In A and B, in between, middle of A and B, C is here. C is here. Okay. And A rank is 5. A rank is 5. That means up to here 5 members is there, including A. Okay. And C ranks, C is 6th after A. 6th after A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6th is C. And is the middle means, so here also will 5 will get right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So here C is the middle. That means from A to C, how many members will be there? 5 members will be there. And here 5 members will be there. And B is the from last is 8. Last is 8. Okay. Now first A rank is 5 plus A to C. How many members is there? 5 members is there. Plus C is nothing but 1%. And C to B is 5 members. Plus B is 8 members. So 10 plus C is nothing but 1. 11 plus 13 is nothing but 24. Is there in the 24? 24 is the answer. Is it clear? Here A to C, how many members is there in the middle? The same members will be there in B to C also. If it is 6, 5 members will be there in middle. Here also 5 members will be there. Okay. 3 was 15. 15 plus 8, 23, and 1 person is C. Totally 24. Okay. Now, we're moving further. Some problems. I think we discussed this one yesterday. We didn't discuss this one, right? Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. See, this is some little tricky question because here there is given three. Okay, here. What are the courses they given? What are the courses? A. We'll take this one. A, B, C, D, E. How many courses, ma? 5 courses. Sorry, first read the question. 5 courses, A, B, C, D, E, each 1 month duration are to be taught from January to May, one after one another month in a necessary, not necessary, in the same order by lecturers P, Q, R, S, T. So 5 lecturers is there, P, Q, R, S, T, 5 lecturers is there, 5 courses is there, A, B, C, D, E is the 5 courses, and 5 months is there, January, February, March, April, and May, totally 5 months. But here they given the relation between these two here. First of all, I'm writing that. I'm writing what are the givens. J is the January, February, March, April, and May. Right. Next, how many lectures is there? P, Q, R, S, T. So now these things they given, and we have to find the relation between this. P teaches B course, but not in the month of April and May. Okay, P is here. P is here. He teaches a course. Which course? B course. So B. And not in the month of April and May. Not in the month of April and May. We just given the class one. Not in the month of April and May. Okay. Here. Now next, Q teaches A course in the month of March. This one is clearly they said. Sorry, they said Q teaches which course? A course. A course in the month of March. Okay, and R teaches the month of January. R is teaches month of January. R will teach the month of January and not teach course of A and C. Sorry, C and D. So R is not going to be teach C and D. Okay. And so this is what they given. From this, what I'll get to know this P. P is teaches which course? B course, right? In the month of which month? So he's not going to teach. He's not going to teach April and May. And March is already Q is teaching. R is J is teaching. So what's the remaining? February, right? P will teach B course in February. Next. B, Q. Q will teach directly the given A course A, and in the month of March. And R is which course he will teach? R is not going to teach C and D. Already A is covered, B is covered. So which is left? E. R is E teaches in the month of January. The remaining, yes, which course? Maybe C or D. We don't know the proper information. And month, that may be April or May. Don't know the proper information. And what about T? T also can teach D or C, either one or either C or D, and either month of April or May. Now simple. What are the questions they are asking? See here. What are the questions they are asking? First question. Which course taught by C? Taught by yes. Yes. Which course? Either C or D. Either C or D. Which one is answered? Either C. This one. Either C or D. Actually, it's a D is there. It's missed. Okay. And which lectures course immediately after following B? B. Which lectures course immediately following after B? After B means in the month of February. Who will teach in the next month? Q. Okay. Q. Who will teach in the next month? March. This is February and March. March course is A. A teaches by Q. So Q is the answer. A. Which course is taught in the month of January? In the month of January, which course is going to teach? E. Here, see here. J, E. In the month of January, taught in the month of January is nothing but E. E is the right answer. Okay, clear? Now, is this completed yesterday? Anyone give this one? Anyone say this? Give the reply. Is this completed yesterday? This one. Is this completed? 6 persons A, B, C, D, E, F sitting in the facing to face. I think it's completed, right? Guys, give me the response, ma. Now, we'll go for the last question in this session, today's section. Okay, the last question is study the following information carefully and answer the question given below. Okay, from among 6 boys A, B, C, D, E, and F, and 5 girls. Who's that 5 girls? P, Q, R, S, T. A term of 6 to be selected. How many we need to select? 6 to be selected under the following conditions. Okay, based on the conditions, we need to pick 6 members among 6 boys and 5 girls. Totally, how many members is there? How many members is there? 11 members is there. 11 members. Out of 11 members, we need to pick 6 members. Pick 6 members in a based on the given conditions. What's the conditions here? First condition, you just see. A and B have to be together. That means if I take A, always we have to take B. That's both are together. And C cannot go with S. So if I take the C, you cannot include the S there. Okay, this is the conditions. I'm elaborating this one. If I take the C, then I cannot take S because C and S is not going to be ones. Okay, S and T have to be together. That means if S is there, then along with S, T will be there. Okay, B cannot be teamed with E. B cannot be teamed with E. So that means if I take B, we cannot take E. And D cannot go with P. D also cannot go with P. B and R have to be together. B and R. If I take the B, then we should take the R. Okay. And C and Q have to be together. C and Q have to be together. So this is the conditions. Now, first question, if there be 5 boys in a team, along the long girls number is. Okay, what they're asking, totally how many we need to pick? How many we need to pick? 6 members. 6 members. In that, they're asking to, there will be the 5 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boys will be there. And along with these 4, 5 boys, who will be that girl? Who will be that girl? This is they're asking. Okay. Now, first I need to find out that how many that boys. Was that boys? Okay. First thing. Suppose I'll take A here. I'll take A here. Along with A, D will be right. Along with A, D will be there. Right? And if I take B, along with B, R will be there. Along with B, R will be there. Suppose I take B here, B boys. So R is a girl, right? So come, R will be here. Who's the next 2 person in boys? If I take S, if I take C, and C cannot with S. Okay, S is not there. And B cannot. S is T. Okay. B cannot be treated with. Okay. B cannot be teamed with E. B cannot be teamed with E. Then we can take only F here. We can take F here. So F, is there any conditions is there? See that F, is there any conditions? A and D have together. Okay, together is there. C cannot be with S. Okay, C is there but cannot be with S. S and T. Okay. Okay, cannot go with S. Okay, C is there. And S and T is not going to be together. Okay, we are not using S and T. And D cannot go with P. D cannot go with P. B and R have to be together. C and Q have to be together. Here the condition is C and Q have to be together. That means if I take the B, if I take the C here, one more girl will be added. But we want only one girl, right? So it is not possible to B and C at a time. Okay. So who will going to remove here? If I remove B here, in the place of B, I can take E, right? I can take E. There is a problem. So here, E cannot be with the team of B. Okay. And okay, that's it. So there's no problem for here. So here in the R place, Q will become AD will together, and C and Q is together, and F is there. We don't have any restriction for F, and we have any restriction for E. It is cannot formed with only B. Okay. Now, what's the answer here? What is the answer? Finally, we got A, D, E, C, F. And along with that 5 boys, Q will be girl. Q will be the girl. Okay. Now come to this one, including P, including P, the team has 3 girls. 3 girls. The members other than P are okay. First of all, the given it should be 6 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members is there. In that, one person is P. They given already. P already they given. Okay. P they given. Along with P, how many members are there? First, read the questions. D cannot go with P, so we cannot make it D is a possibility. D, remove this. And B and R will be together. C and Q have the together, and A and B together cannot with S. S and T have the to be together. So B cannot be teamed with E. Okay. So they not mentioned. Okay, they mentioned the 3 girls. 3 girls we required. 3 girls. Okay, 3 girls. How many girls is there totally? How many girls is there here? First of all, P, Q, R, S, T. P already they given. If I take the Q, if I take Q one person, if I take the Q, then along with Q, C will be there. Along with Q, C will be there. Okay. Another girl, if I take R, because we have only one place for girl. If I take S, we require to take both S and T. Okay, I'll take only one. Okay, that is nothing but R. If I take R, B will be there. Here B will be there, right? Okay. Now PQ R, B will be there. And who's this one person? If I take, okay, I cannot take D along with D. Okay, A is not going to be taken. D cannot be taken. B is taken. Okay, C is also taken. And B is cannot teamed with E. So we cannot take E here. We can take last person F here. Okay, F. That means for F, is there any conditions? No, right? Okay, no. Okay. Okay, that here answer will be F, B, C, P already here, then Q, R. F, B, C, Q, R. Okay, is there one condition? Okay, check. If I take T, S, T, what will happen? 6 members is there. In the 6 members, P already they given. Suppose I take S and T together, right? S and T together. So 3 girls is completed. Then here I cannot take D. I cannot take T because P is here. So cannot take E, A also. So A and D are gone. And here B cannot be teamed with E. S cannot be with C. So S I took. So I cannot take C also. So who's the remaining? B is there and F is there. So along with B, R will be required. Oh, so it is not possible. So the answer will be this one only.